Guys, what is this area? Mapaso. We're going to hot spring. Okay, ready? So beautiful in here, dear. It's so nice. So ang ilang mapaso, kuan siguro na lab. From the hot spring, from the ano. Tay. Look at that mountain over there. Huh? Where is the hut? Cold. There is the hut over here.
There is siguro.
There is. There is over there. The hot spring over there. Oh, it's cold. Cold pool. Cold pool. Where is the hut? Unsa man na? Ay, mga to pa siguro ta dito taas lab. Oh my God, ato sa steep. Tay! Ali, diri kay na. Naikwan diri, lot. It's so beautiful in here, isn't it? Uy, dagan kayo sila swimming pool diri, oh. It's so beautiful. Ay, grabe. Lot. Huh? I'm not sure.
Init gani. Ang init.
Hain. Asam siya? Pabitaw, di ba? Is that the hot Thai? I think that is a cold one. Cold? In it?
Oh.
We should be. I think it's in the. Huh? Look, dili because it's a. Yeah, that's why it's lubog because naay medisina ilang gibutang ani siguro. Very hot. Tambal, yeah. Tambal siya. Is it cold or hot? Hot. How hot is that? Is it? Why is it like that? Is it? It's hot. O sige na, Job. Itunob ng imong ruyuma diha. Dili, tambal na siya. Sa iya nang kuan tambal. Yeah.
Ikan sa tubod do.
Yeah, sa tubod na igikan na. Sa tubod. Is it very hot? Oh. I think we have to go to, you know, to the mountain over there to have the hot spring in there. Lulot, sige na kayo itunog na yun. Over there, there is a mountain over here. Huh? Over there, Tay. Hot pool? Sige na.
Sabi nagharag kaliguan na.
Dagay mong girlfriend diri lab.
Bata.
Huh? Because that's from the mountain. That is from the mountain. Oh my God. Okay.